Oh, my grandfather worked on the big locomotives, put his bib and brace and boots on off to Hyde Park every day. He built steel shining giants to bind our world together in the age of steam that seems so far away. My mother said the young ones stood there cheering as some gleaming black leviathan was rolled out of its bay to be carried to Australia, India or Egypt, for the world came to Springburn in its day. For a time before the war came, my uncle stood beside him, taking on the family business, as they would wryly say, and the 7 hills would ring out to the sound of thousands working, children singing in the back courts as they played. When winter would go sliding on their satchels down the hill at Paddy Orr's, high above the company gates, and the streets were full of people, and the people full of purpose, for the world came to Springburn in its day. But though the war was won, the factories foundered, for diesel conquered steam, and the work just fell away. And my mother's people scattered, as so many Scots before them, West Australia, South America, all through the USA. Now for 20 years I worked there, in the same place as my forebears. But now it's called the college, where the youth are shown a trade. But there's precious little work still, and they've torn down half the buildings, and the wind blows through the spaces they have made. Westminster's man says he'll solve all the problems, but it's hard to credit anything he says. For he's down in London climbing up the ladder to a lordship, and Springburn's just a step along his way. But the world came to Springburn in its day.